Here's a video of the 57 Chevy pickup truck. Try to walk around it once, show you some of the things of interest. Here's the chrome piece, aged but in good condition. Wide white sidewalls. Here's a view of the rear or the side, the vent window, and there's a little crack in the driver's door window. Taillights work, dual exhausts. Get down so you can see underneath the car. New shock absorbers, 10-bolt positive traction rear end, and I don't know if you can see it, but they're glass pack mufflers. You can see there's a little surface rust down here. The wood in the bed, aged but serviceable. Step side, big back window. Chrome on this side's about the same as the other. There is a radio antenna, but there's no radio. There's the Hurst shifter. It's a 5-speed Camaro transmission. I'll go inside the car till we get around it. Hood chrome piece again. It's aged. Alright for a driver, but not show quality. Open the hood now.